Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl again, Revs Okubo, and if you're just joining me for the first time, hi, my name is Revs and I am a skincare formulator. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back again. So guys, today I am so excited because I want to introduce to you guys our ebook. Okay, our skincare formulation ebook is finally out. Yes, and this particular ebook, guys, is packed full with a lot of beautiful recipes, actually my secret ingredients, my secret recipes. Okay, and it is packed full with a lot of beautiful ingredients or a lot of beautiful recipes in that ebook. Okay, and also the ebook has been made so easy. It's really easy friendly because I know there are a lot of people that will say, oh, I'm not so good with calculations, I'm not so good with maths, and I don't want to do all those plenty calculations. Do not worry, this particular ebook has everything recorded, very easy for you to understand. And we also have for instance, we have recipes that are categorized into two parts. We have the one for maybe personal use and the one for business. Okay, so the recipes have been measured in a way that if you want to make a personal product that you're going to be using on your skin, we have already measured it out for you. Okay, and also if you want to sell, we measured out large badges for you to make. Okay, so you can see that it is very easy to understand. Okay, then in the ebook we have how to check and balance the pH level of your product, what to add into your product, what not to add into your product, what can make your product to oxidize, what can you do to stop your product from oxidizing, what can you add to your product to make it shelf life longer, how can you dissolve your powders. All these things are right in this ebook, so you trust me, you don't want to sleep on this one. It is packed full with with everything that has to do with skincare. Let me just put it that way, everything that has to do with skincare, so you don't want to miss out on this one. Okay, so and also we are having our 15th online class. Yes, although I do not really talk much about trainings on my channel, but today I just decided, okay, so let me talk about trainings. Okay, by next week, first week of April, we'll be starting with our 15th class, 15th online class. Yes, this particular class, guys, is packed full with a lot of things you want to learn. Okay, so trust me, you don't want to sleep on this one as well. Okay, so guys, that is that. So if you are interested in registering for online classes, all you just need to do is to holla this number 0812157780, or you call 08065551871, and we'll get you registered for the class. Okay, so that is that for the training. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, this thing is absolutely free. It doesn't bite. Just click on the subscribe button, that red button that says subscribe. After watching this video or before you end this video, please hit the red subscribe button. It doesn't bite. It is absolutely free. And then you turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so guys, like today I am going to be reviewing this product. I'm going to be reviewing this particular product, guys. This particular one. See it. I love this product a lot. The Beauty Glamour Professional Moroccan Whitening Herbal Soap. Guys, this particular soap, it is bam bam. Okay, it's not expensive. Actually, it's not expensive, but I love this particular soap. Yes, I have talked about the Cottage fresh herbal soap. This is also the Moroccan herbal soap, guys. I love Moroccan herbal soap. It is really amazing. I use it for formulation as well. It has a lot of herbs in this product, a lot of herbs that's going to be helping to clear off skin issues that you might have on your skin. And it also tones the skin. Okay, it also tones the skin. It also has Moroccan oil in it, so you can see it is super amazing. It also has lemon as well in it. and it's a 500 gram. Like I said, it's not so expensive. It is just 1,005 or 1,006. It is not expensive. It is very suitable for all skin types, so you can definitely go with this particular one. Whenever I want to use it, as whenever I want to make use of it, I usually activate it. Okay, I usually activate it. And yes, it does have a nylon. I took off the nylon. Okay, so this is how the product looks. It looks really, really amazing, right? This is how it looks. It usually has a nylon, like I said, just like Cottage Fresh. However, there's nothing written on the nylon. They just have it covered on the surface of the product. Okay, so, and it works really well, guys. It really, really works well. I usually activate it or promix it whenever I want to make use of it. So if you, I'm so sorry about the noise in the background, like somebody's building a house, building something over there. So where was I? Anyway, so this particular one, if you want to promix it, guys, please get the ebook. Everything you need to learn about this particular recipe or this particular product, how to promix it is in the ebook. Okay, it is in the ebook. All right, no, I'm just joking. I'm going to be telling you how you can promix it. Okay, so stay tuned. If you are yet to subscribe, hit the red subscribe button and I'll be right back. Okay, so like I said, for you to promix this particular product, all you just need is just like 4 things. You don't want too much in this product because it already has a lot of herbs in it. And then so we're going to promix it. So get a pen and paper and I'll tell you how you can promix this particular Moroccan herbal. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is turn this into a bowl, a clean sterilized bowl. Don't forget you should be wearing a glove. You turn this into a clean sterilized bowl. Then you go in with your oil. Okay, you want to have a very good oil that can help to glow your skin, as well as you are using the soap. Okay, although it has Moroccan oil in it, but I always rather prefer to add an extra oil to it, and not too much, because when you add too much oil into your products, it's not going to foam any longer, or it's not going to give that foamy effect that you might want. Okay, so you don't want to go in with so much oil. So today we are going to be using just one oil, and that will be the Nature's Secret oil. Use the argan oil, the argan Nature Secret, or you can use the carrot one. Okay, whichever one goes. I just love the feel of Nature Secret oil because it gives a very, very moisturized feel on the skin. So going in with Nature Secret oil, you might just add just a tablespoon of Nature Secret oil. Now going in with the next thing we're going to be adding kojic depalmitate. Don't worry, the pH level of kojic acid goes very well with black soap or with any soap at all, so it's going to be very effective in this product. And another thing that you're going to be adding, if you have it, is licorice roots. Licorice normally is a very mild whitening powder, and I'm not talking about the licorice white, I am talking about the licorice roots. It's a brownish kind of powder. Okay, so that's how it looks. So do not make the mistake of putting the white one. The pH level of the white one doesn't go with soap, but the pH of the roots, the licorice roots, goes very well with black soap. Okay, so we're going to be adding that. And then the next thing we are going to be adding, not so much, is glycerin. You might want to add a vegetable glycerin into this one, just to give it a more softer and give you a more glowy skin. It helps to draw moisture from the air into your skin. Guys, those are the 4 ingredients we are going to be using to add to this product. Okay, also boosted the whitening effect as well. So I don't think adding any serum will be necessary. If you are going to be adding serum, then the kojic depalmitate should not be added into the product. Okay, so that's all you're going to be needing to promix this particular product. After mixing all these things together, all you just need to do is to blend with your hand mixer. Please try not to blend so much, because this is a Moroccan soap. Moroccan soaps are usually very soft. They can easily lose their texture, so you're not making a shower gel. so that's why you need to be very careful. And then yes, for the glycerin, you're just going to be adding 5 ml, okay, because we don't want it to lose its texture. Okay, so then you mix very well, make sure you blend very well, and then you package. All right, do not worry if it is looking a bit too soft. After a while it's going to harden, or if the color changes, do not worry, after a while it's going to turn black as it's supposed to be. So guys, then you can start using it. Please do not use it immediately. You know how we do it. Wait for 24 hours or 48 hours to start using your product, and then you start seeing beautiful changes on your skin. All right, this particular product that I just mentioned, or this particular recipe I just gave you, can be used without cream. That's why the nature secret comes in. It can be used without cream, and then the glycerin will help to draw moist into your skin, giving you this beautiful glowish skin. Okay, so guys, that's that for today. If you are yet to hit the red subscribe button, guys, please stop what you are doing, hit the red subscribe button. It is absolutely free. They don't collect money for it. It is free. Put on your notification bell, so when I send any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, so thank you so very much. Don't forget to share, do not forget to like, share the video and like this video. All right, so thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. I will definitely be replying to your comments. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.